What is up, guys? Logan here from Royal Pools G2 Landscaping, and today we are in Cedar Lake, Indiana. And in this video, we're going to go over everything that you need to get a pool installed here in Cedar Lake. Let's dive right in. Pool restrictions and safety requirements. Pool must be at least 10 feet from any side or rear property lines, building lines, or any location where a structure is prohibited under the Cedar Lake zoning ordinance. Any pump, filter, or pool water disinfection equipment must be at least 10 feet from any side or rear property lines, building lines, or any location where a structure is prohibited under the Cedar Lake zoning ordinance. Unobstructed walkways 36 inches or more must extend around the pool in its entirety. The pitch of such walkways must be at least 1/4 inch to the foot. Fencing must enclose the pool in its entirety with a height of at least 5 feet above ground level with self-latching exits. Retractable stairs are acceptable substitutes for gates. At least one exit in the form of steps or a ladder is required. If the pool is over 30 feet wide, 2 exits are required. Requirements to begin construction. All drawings and plans for the pool installation must be presented to the zoning and building inspector to approve the proper location and construction. Plans must show the following: relevant lot lines and setback distances, the pool, walkways, fencing, water supply system, drainage, water disposal system, vertical elevations, and the pool project cannot begin until construction is approved. Required inspections. The inspections to be carried out by the Cedar Lake building inspector will focus on the following: the pool itself, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. HOA requirements. In addition to Cedar Lake's overall town code, if your subdivision is under a homeowners association, also known as an HOA, you will have to abide by their specific regulations as well. HOA regulations can vary greatly from subdivision to subdivision. In most cases, your HOA will have to approve the project before the town does. That about covers it, folks. Everything that you need to get a pool installed here in Cedar Lake, Indiana. We really hope this video was helpful. If you're curious about other towns in our area, check out these videos. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you in the next video.